Let's see how you can explore COVID data with Incorta. You can download CSV file with COVID data from this website. I will post this in the description of this video as well. And this file contains COVID data for every day. So for example, for 327, it contains data for all the countries, state, and every day they insert new data in the CSV file. This has data for previous days as well. So downloaded this file, and then you can click on this and download from here. And I just uploaded that to Incorta. So if you go to schema here, there is a corona_s schema with COVID-19 based on this CSV file. Make sure when you create this table based on CSV file date format, you select this so that date column is detected correctly, and takes like a few seconds to load, and you're all set to explore this data. But one more thing, let me show you here. When you click on explore, and let's say by date I want to see number of cases, and let's change this to aggregated, and case type I want to change it to confirmed cases. You will have different case types, and filter, right? So these are number of confirmed cases by date, right? And of course you can sort it, put a default sort here. So now this will show me by different dates, latest date being 327, total number of cases, right, in all the countries. And you can save this as in new dashboard. Now I can also add here say in different state. In this case, let's bring in country, province, state, and number of cases, and put a filter on say US. And let's say case type is just confirmed cases. And you can also sort it by number of cases. So now by different date I can see this, right? Not different date, but different state I can see total number of cases, right? New York, for example, 209,000. Now what if I just want to see this by the way, this is not correct, right? This is showing for all the dates, right? You have to click on date, and then it will show you this is total number of cases on 327, right? So this insight here is just totaling for all the dates. This number is not correct, right? So you have to filter it by the latest date. Now, way to do that in Incorta is, let's say I want to show this table, but only by latest date without clicking on this filter here, right? Maybe I'm creating a different dashboard where I want to just show all this data for the latest run date, which is 327 in this case, right? Now, way you can do that is here I created one more table called max date, and this is Incorta table. You can click on new and select table and click on Incorta, and this table here, let me show you in analyze mode. So there's just a formula column called 1, and value of this is just 1, literally just 1, right? You can pretty easily create this formula column in Incorta. And this is aggregated table, and for date I get max date, right? So this is max date here. Cancel this, and value of this max date is you can just see it here. For example, I click on this date here. This is 327, right? Now, and then you can use this in a session variable. Created a new session variable corona max date, which is format date. I'm doing format because session variable data type is not known, and this is the format I'm providing. If you click on test, it will return 327, right? Now all you need to do in this insight, if I just want to filter it by, say, whole dashboard I want to filter, or just insight I want to filter, all you need to do is go to filter here, and using new formula you can just add this filter here, which is let's say this date column is equal to $max, right? And once you do this and save this, this is applying filter on this insight and showing me total cases for the latest date, which is 3/27, right? And you can apply this filter at the dashboard level as well and do that. So you will notice here I created some dashboards, say for US, right? And I wanted to show in KPI as of date, which is March 27, right? So this is pretty easy to get. You can just get date here and use max of that date. But other numbers I wanted to show for confirmed cases, number of deaths, difference for the latest date, which is this. So for that I applied this filter here, which is date is equal to this date, right, which is in session variable. So this is how you can filter and show data only for the latest date in a table where you have data for multiple dates.